How to add an app widget to iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top left of the screen to open the notification center. From here, press and hold anywhere on the screen to enter the wallpaper customization mode. You will now be able to see all of your saved wallpaper collections in a carousel view. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Customize button. On this page, tap on the lock screen preview to begin editing. Tap on the widget area directly below the time to add a new widget. Scroll down the list to find the app you want to add a widget from, such as ChatGPT, and tap on it. You can swipe through the options to find the one you want. You can add multiple widgets from different apps until the space is full. Here, search for and add a news widget, like the FOTMob app. Following the same process, add another widget, such as Gemini app, to the available space. After placing the widget, tap on Done in the top right corner to close the selection panel. Your lock screen will now display all the widget information you selected. Following these steps, you can easily add widgets to the lock screen on an iPhone.